What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm finna be swapping out the original halogen light bulbs on my Series 3 XJ6 with these LED headlights. Now I know some of you guys are probably wondering, yo Jesse, why will you alter the classic Jaguar appearance with these tacky LED headlights? Well bro, to me, I'm trying to see. I'm just trying to see. I'm blind as a bat. I can't cruise at night with these halogen headlights. They ain't cutting it for me. So I'm hoping replacing them with LED lights, it will increase the visibility and I could cruise at night with no problems. Yeah, I might blind some people, but everybody got LED lights nowadays. And if you can't beat them, join them. So let's get to it. Alright, so these are the tools you're finna need. Well, more or less. Some disposable gloves. You can use them. You don't have to. Some soapy water or a wax cleaner to clean the inside of the headlight assembly, microfiber towel, a drill and a drill bit to make the hole for the wire to run the daylight running lights and also turn signal, some quick connectors, extra screws a little longer than the original ones, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, some wire cover, a crimp tool, wire cutters, and electric tape. Alright, let's get to it. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the outer ring screw. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the 3 screws for the inner ring cover. You don't have to completely remove them. Twist the ring cover counterclockwise. Disconnect the headlight. Use a cleaning product to spray inside of the housing and clean all that dust around it. I guess you don't have to do this, but I mean you might as well. You're in here. Alright. We have to drill a hole inside of the housing to run the wires to the turn signals. This is a 1/4 drill bit. Now we can install the new LED headlight. The red wire is a daytime running light or angel light, while the green wire functions with the turn signals. You will have to connect the LED wires with the turn signal wires for the LED lights to work properly. And of course, before installing the inner and outer ring cover, make sure to clean them up. You might as well. You're right here, player. If you're gonna do something, you gotta do it right. Well, at least try your best. Alright, so I'm going to replace the lower screw with a longer screw. You could replace whichever screw you want to. For some reason, I just decided to be the bottom one. Here's the side difference of the screws. Just screw it in a little bit, just so it can hold into place. Then you can slide in the inner ring cover. It ain't going nowhere. All right, now just gotta do the wiring with the turn signal. From underneath, remove the turn signal light socket by rotating it counterclockwise. Carefully use a razor blade to cut the wire cover. Make sure to cut away from yourself. Be careful when you're cutting towards you. You don't want to cut yourself. I know from experience. So just cut away. All right. You have it. Now let's connect the wires from the LED headlights to the turn signal lights. There you go. Red with red. Green with green and gray. Perfect. Oh.